Yo guys, what's up? Welcome back to another video today. I am doing another vlog. This is my second vlog that I have ever done. Well, no, it's definitely not, but you get what I mean. So today we are going on a bike ride, so I thought I would take you guys with me. Not quite sure how much I'm gonna film, but we'll see. So yeah, I just recorded a time lapse out that window. It was pretty cool. I haven't edited it yet, so I don't know what it looks like, but I don't care. I've got a nice hoodie on, and I've got shorts on because it's warm, and I am ready to go cycling. It's like a day of cycling all over again. That video was so cringy. Oh no.
Boom! I'm dressed, ready for a day of cycling.
Battery. Little buddy. They made a nest outside my window. Mention that we're on this ride with my grandma and granddad. Obviously we have to social distance unfortunately, but it's still going to be fun, so might not film much because obviously you're going to be in a bag, so yeah, enjoy. Little update, we've done quite a lot of the ride. We just rode up a massive hill and I'm a bit tired, but now I've got the easy bit because we're back up at the castle, which is on top of the hill, which is where we were riding from, and then we go a big loop around back up to here. Then we just have to ride down this little hill and then we are back to where we started, which was by the car. So yeah. Just like that, we're back. So guys, I'm going to end off this vlog here before my battery dies because it's nearly dead. This is my second one, yay. So hope you enjoyed it. I didn't really film much, but I filmed some time lapses, so I hope they look cool. So thank you for watching and I will see you all later. Bye.